In this video, I will discuss how we can edit Excel to create a range function. So suppose, for example, I have data here that's just labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to take the range of this data. Well, in order to do so, normally what you would have to do is you would have to find the maximum of the data and then subtract the minimum of the data, because that's the definition of range. It's the largest minus the smallest, and you would get 4. Well, another way we could do this is just create our own range function using Visual Basic. So if we go to View, and hopefully you have macros, or Alt F8 on your computer. The other thing you may have to do is you may have to go to File, More Options, and look and see if you can customize the ribbon to get macros into your into one of your view and or somewhere else. You could also check developer, and that should also get it going. So you could also go to developer, or you could, I had added that to view. So in the developer, click on macros, and then just create a name for your macro, and we'll step into it or edit it. And for me, I've already written this code, but here it created a subroutine. I'm just going to exit out of that for my sake, but you could keep that and edit it to the following. So the function range, so I just called it so capital F for function, capital R for range, parentheses, my data as variant, so that will take in any sort of range. And then what's inside the function, you'll type range will equal application dot worksheet function dot max my data, and then in the parentheses minus application dot worksheet function dot min my data. So the min and max functions are worksheet functions that are within the class of the application of Excel itself. So that's how you call any sort of function that's already made in Excel. So we're just making it better by combining the two and calling it range. So once you're done, you can grab this and then type equal range, highlight your data, hit enter, and you'll see that you get the same result.